today, I hope that it's better than yesterday. No, I hate seeing you down. I know that we both said some things that we regretted. Really wish I could say I never made you frown. We were right all along, I was too selfish. Anytime I needed you, you'd be right there. How do you do these things you do? Couldn't put up with me if I were you, I were you. Looking back on how I acted, I ask myself, why did I do it like that? I gotta change for the better, embody all the sunny weather. Trying to go back, say trying to stop the rain, you know I cannot do that. Forever on cold like December, I wish it was hard to remember. That's just